Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have this website to you. It's called Dissolve, and it's an online marketplace that specializes in providing high quality stock footage and photography for creative personnel or the professional. So to get started with the website, simply head on over to Dissolve in Google or any other browser that you prefer and choose the official site because we have here some other results. We need to choose this one here, Dissolve stock footage, stock photos. And once you click to the link, you get directly to the homepage or the interface of the website where you can find the key features. It's contain the present, the inspiration, tools, photography, and footage with this two here, the premium and the creator. And where you can sign up and sign in, and also the payment, this one here, and all the information that you may need and the website. So we're gonna come back to this page later after I show you how to create account for the first time. And to do that, you need just to go over here or in this one here, sign up. And here are the information that you need to enter to start using the website Dissolve. First thing, you need to enter your first name and the last name, then the company name, now the title. This two over here are optional. When you find this optional here, that means you can skip that one. Then the email address, it's obligatory and you need to choose a password. And confirm it, that means rewrite it. And after that, click on sign up with email. And you have these two choices here that where you can sign up with them and not with the email address. So now we need to check the email address to confirm the created account. So after this page is shown to you, you need just to write your email, your password, and if you want to remember you need just to click over there and you need just to connect after the confirmation. Now this is the website or the home page, and it's contain extensive stock footage library. Like you see here, there is a lot of things in the library. The Dissolve offers a vast collection of stock footage spanning various categories, styles, and themes. Whatever you are looking for, cinematic shots, aerial footage, lifestyle clips, or nature scenes, Dissolve provides a diverse range of options to meet your creative need. And like you see with me here, you can find your accounts here with all the settings about the account, like the features, the account details, the quotas and orders, the purchase files, comes, dissolve research and the dissolve cloud, and also the profile and the profile setting, and the button that where you can sign out from your account. And for the tools and footage and photography, it's called created and exclusive content. The Dissolve creates its collection to ensure top-notch quality and relevance. They feature exclusive footage from talented contributors, offering unique and distinctive content that stand out. Like example, if we search the photos, and yeah, if you have anything specific in your head and you cannot find it in the collection here, you need just to write it here because it's present to us easy search and discovery, because the Dissolve also provides a user-friendly interface with advanced search and filtering option. You can easily search for footage based on keywords, resolutions, frame rate, or even the number of people in the shot. This makes it convenient to find perfect clips for your projects. So let's come back to the photography. Like example, let's search in the photos. So this is the results about the photos, and also you can filter what you want to see. We have here the refine that we search horizontal, woman, people, outdoor, female, indoor, lifestyle, person. This is the case that we find the photos for them. And also you can filter from these here and the right side. For the price, we have from $5 until the max. And for the listens, we have the royalty free and the reels. For also the Dissolve exclusive. And you can just filter what you want to see. Like I said before, the numbers of people, you can also write it in the search bar here. And like you see, the search over 1,000,000.6 photos, so it's very easy to search whatever you want on the Dissolve. So this will be our video today. I hope you get understand, and if you liked the video, please subscribe for more and follow me to see more videos like this. And in this website, these key features make Dissolve a valuable resource for filmmakers, video editors, and other creatives seeking high-quality stock footage and photography to enhance their projects. So that's all, my guys. So bye-bye to the next time. I hope you're still in good health. Until that time.